Weather on Mount Hood is pretty unique. Storms can blow in off the ocean very quickly. So when they come in wet on cold steel, it turns to ice. While you're dreaming of powder, we're already out clearing off the towers. You clear the ladder one step at a time, and then you get to the top and clear that off. The whole time you're being very careful about not shaking things too much so that the ice that's above you stays in place. The video really doesn't do justice to the amount of hammer blows it takes to clear a tower. One of the things we have to be careful about is not damaging any of the equipment. We use brass hammers because the metal on the hammer is softer than the steel on the haul rope. One of the things we really enjoy about de-icing is the sunrise and the view you get that early morning time frame. I've seen a lot of sunrises, but this one probably takes the cake. Once the cable is clear of ice, then the crew moves to the bottom and loads chairs on. It's challenging work, and people that do it are pretty tough. And I'm really proud of the people that I work with that deal with this icing condition.